Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Lexus IS350 F Sport. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 311 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. This one has an 8-speed automatic transmission. And this is a really nice interior. It's the red interior. And this one has the updated screen, in which it's touchscreen as well with this touchpad, which is a lot better than when it was just a touchpad. And the screen is a lot better because it used to be integrated into the dash and it was harder to see, but this is way nicer. You have the beautiful gauge cluster that these Lexus F Sports have, which I really like. Very nice leather wrap steering wheel with red stitching, paddle shifters, and F Sport badge on the bottom. Very thick steering wheel, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and ventilated seats, which is very nice. You do have a backup camera with 360 view. Resolution's not all that great, but it does the job. I like this detail in the door panels, and I like this trim in the interior too. Seats are really comfortable. They have like that bucket feeling, so it really holds you in place. Like I feel really comfortable in the seat right now. Like as far as like my thighs feel really comfortable, my back feels very well supported, so that's good to see. But let's walk around this IS350 F Sport. This is the black exterior with the dark chrome wheels. Looks really good. You have the beautiful daytime running lights and the spindle grille. I think this is a very good looking sedan. The new IS definitely looks nice. I need to get a video on the IS 500. Here are the rear seats. IS 350. Badge on the back, dual outlet exhaust. And here is the trunk. Nice carpeting. But yeah, very beautiful sedan. I love the way it looks. And this black with red interior is a really nice combo. Let's get it out on the road. And the engine in these sound really good. Lexus's V6s and V8s sound amazing. One of the most popular POV drives on my channel is on the 2015 IS250 F Sport. These, when I make videos on IS and RC F Sports, they're really popular. So I try to get videos on them whenever I can. Yeah, sounds pretty good. So while we wait for this traffic light, I just looked at the screen, so you do have built-in navigation. Very nice. Pretty good acceleration. And as I said, it sounds really good. Nothing like the sound of a naturally aspirated V6. Here comes the rain. Man, I love that gauge cluster. It looks so good. And I love how it shifts over to the right whenever you want to change like some of your settings and everything like that. Very comfortable. Car feels well built, like it feels sturdy, which is always a nice and reassuring feeling when you're driving any car. Man, I really like when steering wheels are thickly bolstered so you can grip them easily. Gives you confidence when you're going around corners and trying to drive in a spirited manner, especially in a sports sedan. But I prefer thick steering wheels in any car, not even a sports car. Nice. But there is no like wireless charging tray, which would be nice. So my phone wouldn't be floppy around in those cup holders. And one thing about these cars, I do wish the transmission was quicker. Overall, they drive really well, but the transmission definitely could be faster shifting in my opinion, but it's still good. Because like, when you pull the paddles, it takes a second for it to respond. Like, you know, there's a lag. If this had like a dual clutch or something, it would be insane. Push the little drive mode selector, it'll put you in the normal mode. If you switch to the left, it'll put you in eco. But I noticed this one doesn't have the Sport Plus or anything like that. I think you have to get like an extra package for that. But overall, very, very nice drive. Very nice comfort, acceleration. Overall, this is a very nice 2023 Lexus IS350 F Sport. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice pre-owned vehicles like this car.